Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, December 3rd, 2014. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here. Start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, which had a good day yesterday. Today they're trading down about 3/4 of a point to 1 point, right to around the 1,265 level per contract. So we'll see how this market shapes out today. All in all, though, I do think we're probably in for just some choppy sideways action, and we'll see how it plays out. But there are a lot of stocks in the news. You did also have some economic data. I believe the ADP job report was out at 8:30 a.m., which was just a few minutes earlier, and they reported 208,000 new jobs created in the month of November. So again, job number coming in a little bit less than expected, but nonetheless it is what it is, and we'll see how that all shakes out and plays out going forward. This coming Friday we will have the government's non-farm payroll report, which is expected to be pretty good. So we'll see how that shapes out, and we'll see how the market reacts overall to it. All right, let's get into some stocks in the news here. There are a lot of different equities we're going to look over today. First one we're going to look at is BOBE. This is Bob Evans. We are going to play this one today in the intraday stock chat. So if you want the level on this where we're going to look to scalp it, please come over to the intraday stock chat. That'll be posted up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, we offer a 7-day free trial for that service. Come over, see what we're going to do there. We're going to try to make some money on this equity. Another stock that is in play today is this PBYI. This is Puma Biotechnology, and the stock is getting hammered today. It closed yesterday at $225. It is now trading at $188. It even traded as almost as low as $170. So again, I have some levels isolated for this one. This one will be posted up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, come on over to the chat room, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that I'm doing there. Let's take a look at Abercrombie and Fitch, ticker symbol ANF. Stock was down before. It is now rebound. It is now trading at 28.25, closed at 27.84. So this stock is catching a little bit of a bid today. This is one that will be in play. Right now, I'm not looking at any specific level right off the bat. Before I got on the mic here, I did see the stock down, but it has rebounded up. So this is one that could be in play today during the intraday hour. We'll see how it goes. Another stock I will be looking at is MCHP. This is Microchip Technology. It looks like they raised guidance. A level of resistance I have for this one will be at $46.75. So keep that level on the radar. That's exactly where I would look for this thing to stall out. If you own this stock, I would start to trail the stop loss right now. If you don't own it, I really am not sure you want to jump on here. But if you get the right pattern, potentially the stock could trade up to that $46.75. That is where the stock should stall out. We might even potentially short the stock there depending on the time of day. Let's take a look at TJ Maxx. This was added to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. I would not add it to my list though. So either way, TJ Maxx, strong move today. Stock is trading at 66.84, closed at 65.25. There is very little upside here in TJ Maxx. Maybe it has a little bit more to go simply because of the upgrade. But again, I don't see the stock getting much above this little pivot high where it made this morning, which was around 67.60 or so. I really have a hard time seeing TJ Maxx trade much higher than that. In fact, I wouldn't even rule it out that it will start to pull back because it's so overbought. Let's take a look here at JCPenney. I believe Goldman Sachs had also had some comments about this one. Let me just make sure I have this right. Yeah, it looks like Goldman downgraded this stock to a sell from neutral. JCPenney has already been beaten down. I don't think there's a whole lot of downside here. You want to be a little bit careful with it. But again, it could probably trade to around 694, 693. I don't think it's going to be a mover to the upside, but nonetheless, I have a hard time thinking it's going to go much lower from these levels. Let's take a look here at Tesla today, ticker symbol TSLA. Stock is coming under some pressure. Right now it's trading at $227.15. It closed at $231.43, so it's definitely a good little downtick. Again, Tesla will be in play today. It looks like there's going to be some short-term support, a little lower though, in my opinion, around 220 and also around 213. So again, be careful here with Tesla. Stock is definitely coming under some early pressure. Let's take a look at G3. This is an apparel maker. This stock now is having a very, very solid move. Stock closed yesterday at $84.36. It is now trading at $88.20. I believe they had earnings. I don't know what the earnings were, but nonetheless, stock is strong this morning. The one thing I will say, there's a lot of resistance here. Yesterday, the stock sold off, or I should say 2 days ago, the stock sold off with a wide range bar, and back today it's back testing that level on a daily chart. So be a little bit careful with this one. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I really wouldn't do much. But the bigger time frame trends are still up. The daily chart still has a ton of resistance around the 88 to $80 to $90 level, so be a little bit careful there. Looking at gold this morning, gold is up $3.60 to $1,203 an ounce. Yesterday, gold did get sold off. Crude oil is bouncing up today. That's up 54 cents to $67.42. And then you have silver basically down 0.1% today. So again, watching the precious metals, watching the commodity space. We'll see how this all shakes out and plays out once the opening bell rings. But all of those sectors, those commodity sectors, have been very, very volatile as of late. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. Again, the morning time is the best time to trade, so come on over, and we'll see you at 9 o'clock. Have a great trading day, everybody. See you on the charts.